What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again, and seatbelt mate, and welcome to a brand new video. Now today we're doing another one of our ownership costs and experience. So we're going to dive into the purchase price, the monthly installment in terms of financing, insurance, fuel costs, and other nitty-gritties such as maintenance. But this car is under service plan, so that's a bit pointless, but anyways. As we always begin, oh, by the way, did I say what car we're in? I don't think I did. So we're inside the Golf 7.5 R, so the facelift R for the 7th generation, and this one is fully spec'd. It has the Akrapovic exhaust. Actually, this is a car that we've done a video with before. I think it was in October-ish last year, somewhere thereabout. And so the owner has shared with me all the numbers, his experience with the car, and in terms of reliability, it's very clean. I'll get that out of the way. These cars are essentially bulletproof in a way, because there are some that are tuned to crazy power. So the purchase price was about 730,000 rands. The owner got the car as a demo. It had 8,000 kilometers on the clock when he got it. He put down 100,000 rand deposit. So before the deposit, monthly payments was about 13,500 rands, and then after the deposit, it dropped, or it subtracted about 2 grand. So he pays 11,500 for financing, and insurance is about 2,000 rands, so it goes back up to 13,500. so that's what he pays monthly, including insurance. So this car has a 60-liter fuel tank, and then with current fuel prices, he pays, I think, 1,700 rand to fill it up with petrol, basically. It's still under warranty, so when you purchase it new, it's a 2020 model, by the way, I haven't mentioned. So it's a 2020 car. It came with a 90,000 kilometer service plan, and I think the warranty is about 4 years or 5 years, somewhere there. And obviously with warranty, it means if anything mechanical was to break, say if the turbo failed, if something happened to the brakes, like the disc brakes, anything mechanical basically was to fail or break, then it can be sorted under warranty and you won't have to pay anything. So it came brand new with about a 4-year warranty and a 90,000 kilometer service plan. So currently he's still not paying to get the car serviced. I think the car right now has about just under 70,000 kilometers on the clock. So soon he'll be paying for his servicing and whatnot. So what else? Oh yeah, he told me there was one time he took it to a car wash and somehow the guys broke his sunroof. Imagine, that's very terrible. So luckily that was sorted under warranty, so he didn't have to pay anything to get the sunroof sorted. Also, when he got the car, because it was a demo, he had to pay like 10,000 rands to have the service plan. So apparently when the car is a demo, you don't get it with the service plan, something complicated, I don't know, but he had to pay like 10 grand to have the warranty, simply because the car was a demo. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything. What else? Because like, it's very hard to estimate like the maintenance cost, because he doesn't pay anything for it to get it serviced. He only pays to change the tires, and he doesn't, like, the tires don't get finished, like the tread doesn't deplete like often. It's rare that you have to change your tires unless if you took your car to the track or something like that. I'm pretty sure it's very loud with the wind noise and all, but yeah, I guess that's kind of like one drawback with these cars, is that when you go like 100 kilometers an hour or 120, the wind noise can get a bit loud, mainly tire noise and the airflow through the A-pillars and all. But other than that, this car is very solid because this is the new platform on top of the Mark 7, so things were refreshed. All the issues that came with the Mark 7 were fixed. Problems like the mechatronic issues, so it is all sorted on this car. So this is one of the cars that have the new dry sump clutch, so you'll rarely see these cars having like the mechatronic issues. But other than that, this is the Golf R as usual. It's crazy. I think I'll go on to dynamic select. Actually, one drawback is that the gear lever, when it's in drive, it obscures the driving mode button, so I had to look down and I was veering off the road, so that's a big drawback. So I'll put it into race. I'll put the gearbox in sport, actually manual, then I'll do some downshift. That exhaust is insane, goodness me. I hope it comes across on video. Ooh, and the engine is really warm now, so it makes those crazy pops on the overrun. Goodness me, this is insane. This car is solid. Ooh, the backfires are insane. Their Kropovich exhaust is just crazy. Ooh, I'm pretty sure you guys won't hear it on camera like this. That's the thing about, you know, reality versus cameras and whatnot. Like on camera you don't hear it the way it comes across to the actual ears, but one pull now and then wind noise, it's just insane, hey? But yeah, if you wanted to know what it's like to live with, to own, or what it costs to own a Golf Mark 7.5 R, then there you go. Yeah. And until next time, that's absolutely cheers for